In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file in OneDrive. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can quickly share a document, photo, or folder with the right people. Start by opening your Microsoft 365 homepage. At the top left, look for the grid of 9 dots. This is the app launcher, and it's your shortcut to all Microsoft 365 apps. Click those 9 dots, then choose OneDrive. OneDrive is your cloud storage, so anything you save there is accessible from any device with your account. Once OneDrive opens, click on My Files. This is where your personal files and folders are stored separate from shared libraries or recent items. If you keep a lot of content, you can use the search bar or navigate through folders to find what you need. When you see the file you want to share, click it once to select it. You can share an individual file or an entire folder the same way. Just be sure you're selecting the correct item. With your file selected, click Share. This opens the sharing window where you'll decide who gets access and what they can do. In the box, type the email address of the person you want to share with. Double-check spelling to make sure it reaches the right person. You can add multiple email addresses if you're sharing with more than one person, and you can include a short note to provide context, like why you're sharing or what you need from them. Next, click the pencil icon to choose permissions. If you select Edit, the person will be able to open the file, make changes, and save those changes for everyone to see. If you choose View, they can look at the file but won't be able to modify it. Pick the level that matches your intent. As a general tip, keep editing limited to people who truly need it, and use View only when you're just sharing information. After setting permissions, click Send. OneDrive will email the recipient a secure link and they can open it directly from their inbox. If you don't want to send an email from OneDrive, you can instead click Copy Link. That copies a shareable link based on the permission you just chose, which you can paste into a chat, a document, or your own email. This is handy if you're already in a conversation and just need to drop in the link. That's it. You opened OneDrive, found your file, set the right access with the pencil icon, and shared it by sending an invite or copying a link. You're ready to share confidently.